Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Thomas here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how we can trade Virgin launches, Genesis launches, whatever you wanna call it, using limit orders. So let's get right into it. Okay, so everything we're gonna need is a Telegram account, and that's it. It's as simple as that. We are going to be using BlazingBot. They have been pretty much working every single day to deliver the best sniping bot, Telegram bot on the market. And I'm pretty confident that they are doing a really good job on delivering all these features that are important for trading. So I'm gonna pin you my link to the bot in the comment section, and also you will find it in the descriptions under this video. So once you click the link, your BlazingBot will open up just like a regular group chat or just like a message with on Telegram. Once you have done this, you will be able to either import a new wallet, or you can use the one that they have generated for you. Just make sure that you have saved every private keys and every passwords they're gonna generate for you. It's really important to keep it safe. Or you don't need this if you will import your private keys from your wallet that you are using for Genesis launches. So you can just simply import the private keys and keep on receiving Virgin points while trading using BlazingBot. It's simple as that. You would do that here in the wallet section. You can either add new wallet, rename, or just export the one that they have generated for you. As simple as that. Once you have set up your wallet, you will need to fund it with Ethereum. The Ethereum that is on Base, you will need to fund your wallet. You don't need virtual the token, but you only need ETH, Ethereum on Base chain. Once you have done that, we can go back to some of our tokens we want to trade. So for example, I'm going to be using the Virgin token that has launched yesterday. Once you copy the contract address, you can simply go back to the Telegram, paste it in, and now you will see it's gonna show you the price. We can confirm that the price is exactly the same as it is on DEX screener. You can see the market cap 12.8 million. 12.8 million. Yeah, so we got the right token, and now we are good to go. You can either buy the token with your presets. You can change the preset in the settings here, settings, and you will be able to change the presets, or you can just choose one of that they have set up for you. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the limit orders. So let's say you are waiting for an entry on Virgin at around 10 million. There is the last wick here to 10.1. So you don't want to buy here at 12 or 13 million, and you want to buy at 10.2 if it ever goes down. You don't know, but you want to be ready, and you don't have to sit by the charts and always be checking the price and then buy manually on Uniswap. You can do it here by clicking limit. I'm gonna clear it up for you. So you can set up, firstly you will need to select the active wallet. So I'm using here my main wallet. The one with the green check is the active wallet that will be buying your limit orders. Once you have done that, you can choose the priority fee. One is more than enough. Slippage, if the token is very volatile, the higher slippage the better, but even for Virgin, even like 5% should be okay now. Then you can choose either from selecting a market cap where you want to buy, or a price. It's easier for me to choose and go buy a market cap, so you can either click it and it's gonna change the green mark. So now I would be buying by the price. If I click market cap, I will buy by the market cap. So as we said, we are targeting somewhere around here, so 10.3 million market cap. You're gonna click here, and in the answer to the bot, you're gonna type in 10,300,000 market cap. You're gonna send it as the answer, and now you can see the bot has recognized it, and you are good to go to buy it at 10.3. Now what you get to do next is just to set the expiration time. You can set it up either for a week, for 2 hours, or 24 hours, which is the preset here. I'm gonna keep it for 24 hours, and if within the next 24 hours the price of Virgin will go to 10.3 million market cap, I will be good to go and it will buy it for me automatically. Now here we got to choose the amount we want to buy. So let's say I want to buy with 1 Ethereum. Simple as that. And now all I got to do is to click place limit order. Once it's done, you will see the limit order created, green check mark, and here is all the important information. Market cap must be lower or the same as 10.3 million market cap, and amount to buy is 1 Ethereum. It will expire in 24 hours from now. I can either close it or I can put in the contract address of Virgin again. And here you will see view existing limit orders here. So I can click it. And you can see that I have 2 limit orders open. One is from yesterday that was never filled, unfortunately, because Virgin never came back to 4 million market cap. And now this is the one that I have created. Now you can click view and you get all the settings here. The slippage we have set, the wallet I have choose, the amount, price. It even shows you the price when it trigger and the market cap and the expiry times. So this is all you got to do to don't waste your time, and you can just set up the limit orders and go by with your day. And whenever the market cap goes to 10.3 million market cap, I will receive a notification from BlazinBot that the purchase was successful, and I will see my PNL within my wallets in here. And then you can, it's a nice feature to have from BlazinBot. You can even click generate PNL and you will see some nice images that you can post on Twitter to get more engagement and receive some Virgin points for yapping. And you can basically do the same for selling. So let's say you already have a position open. So for example, I got a Axelrod here. So I can click on Axelrod and I can do the same for selling, which would be take profit. And I can set up the take profit similar as what I did with the buy. So I will just set up the market cap, expiration time, and the sell amount in percentages. So let's say I want to sell 100% of my bags when it hits 30 million market cap. And simple as that, I will just click place limit order, and when I will Axelrod hits 30 million market cap, I will sell my whole position. And that's how you trade with limit orders on base chain, all these virtual Genesis launches. I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to use the link in the pinned message and in the description, and see you soon.